So hello everyone, it's me Chanel here, and today I have a DIY Ikea hack. And as you can see here, I have this Ikea dresser, and this is for my niece, and we were just making it over, upgrading it, well, just taking away some of the scratches. And as you can see, the top of it has some water damage as well, so we're gonna do a little hack on that and recover the top surface. Now we're going to use some trim and trim it out as well. As you can see here, we're going to put it around the top, and we're going to put it also around the bottom, and we're going to use some silicone to seal it to make sure that it does not pop off or come apart. And as you can see here, we put this top on it, a new one, which is actually made of pure wood rather than this melamine cover that you have on here, which can cause the water damage like you see here. Again, using some of the silicone to just seal it and make sure it doesn't come off. Then we're going to use this smaller trim molding and take it all the way around the top just to add some extra flavor to the top of the, you can see here, we used a little wood filler, filled in the cracks that you see here, or rather the scratches, gave it a good sanding, and now here is the end result of the labor thus far. So I'm going to go in with some chalk paint, and I'm using Rust-Oleum aged gray, which you see right here, and that again is the Rust-Oleum chalk paint in the aged gray, and a Varathane, it's water-based polyurethane cover or a coat of that to just seal the chalk paint so that it has a clear coat on it that will prevent these scratches. I don't have an extra tray, so I'm using exactly what I have at home. So I have these food trays. I have a paint tray, but I don't want to ruin it because I don't have extra covers, and I only have a couple of those plastic liners that go in it. So I'm saving it for a couple of walls that I need to do while in the house. So I'm going to use this in the end of the serving tray, my roller stick, a regular paint roller, a little extra little detail brush just in case, and a little opener to pop my can open. Now, as you will see, I'm just going to pop the roller right onto the stick and just go to work and start rolling and painting the entire surface. Now again, what I like about chalk paint, and I will leave a link with a couple of videos where I have painted other furniture using chalk paint in the description box below. It is an excellent product that I have used over time. I have used different brands. I have a couple of brands that I do favor over most. I won't say what those specifically are. You can ask me maybe in the description box, or rather in the comments, and I could leave you a comment and let you know if you want to know my favorites that I do use in the chalk paint. And it depends also on the surface and what I am painting, because chalk paint is and can be a little bit expensive, and they do sell it in smaller sizes like at your local craft stores as well. This one here, it comes from Home Depot, and they also sell it as at Lowe's as well. And again, it has excellent coverage. It doesn't leave any lumps and bumps. Of course, you can get a run if you use too much. It's paint, but you can easily remove the run. You can use safely a sanding block and give it a little sanding, which is not necessary, but only if you happen to get a little chunk that you want to remove. And again, as you can see here, you don't even have to use primer. It adheres to any surface excellently, and again, it lasts the duration of time for long periods of time. I have painted, again, many pieces using chalk paint. I painted my desk in my office and sealed it, and that has been several years old, and I haven't had to do anything to it since I first painted it. But I probably will be doing a video and doing an updated paint job on that, as I use my desk very often, as you've seen in many videos. And it has a few scratches, a little wear and tear, which doesn't bother me at all. I can easily sand it down if I like, take it back down to the natural wood, because it is actually a entirely wood piece made of wood. But on this here piece, it is a Ikea piece, so it is not made of wood on the top surface at all, and neither is the interior. So this is the kind of piece that you can paint over time if you want to do something like that. And here you will see the ending result. I didn't push the drawers all the way in evenly, as you can see, but this is the end result with the chalk paint, and I think it looks excellent. And I just painted the knobs, the handles that came with it, a darker gray color with some spray paint, and shipped it right on off to its owner. And I'll see you all in the next one.